It is November 14th, and I hate seeing this. This is the first snowfall of the year. Actually, I really think this is more like, I don't know. It's not really a snow. It's almost like little sleet pellets. But, and that's what we get here in the Mid-South. It sucks. But it is warm in there, and you'll see this. I'm going to show you a video on how I got here. Okay, tubers, it's officially winter here. It went down to freezing the last couple nights. I've taken care of the water wall on that side. It's I've got 6 mil greenhouse plastic on the outside of that thing, and I've got some on the inside just to kind of help me out until I can take that all apart and redo it. It'll hold the heat in here pretty good. But what I'm doing on this side is a little more permanent. I'm walling this end in. For now, I'm going to leave plastic on the outside. I'll just put this OSB on the inside and seal it up real good. That'll give me, I'm airing it up. I don't know if you can see this or not, but there's two types. It's like a drum. There's about a couple inches anyway of air in there all the way up. Fills that up pretty good, and I'm gonna leave that, but I'm gonna put another pocket of air that'll go between the OSB, about this wide. Between this OSB will sit here, and then it'll have that air gap of about that much between that and the plastic. Trying to conserve on that propane as much as I can, because this joker here will chew up some propane. So I'm trying to make this as efficient as possible and cleaning it up as I go. Anyway, that's where we are so far. Looks pretty good. Let's see what it looks like from the outside. Once it's all done, you won't really be able to see much because I'm gonna cover that up too, but that's what it looks like from the outside so far. Getting there. I just like the two pieces right there. That little side piece, I gotta move that vent and a blower, and yeah, fill in a couple little holes up in here, but then I got that piece and that piece to do. I'm gonna move my thermostats over here with this one. Okay, I'm doing what I do, building this end wall in and forgetting to update everybody on what I'm doing. But anyway, I am framing out a new permanent water wall. I'm gonna make it a better system. Actually, it won't leak. I ended up having water spraying out everywhere down here. It was a mess. But it was my my first go at trying to build something out of something instead of buying it already ready to go. But I couldn't afford a brand new water wall, so I had to get the panels and figure out the rest. So anyway, I have learned some things, so I'm going to fix those problems, hopefully, and also going to seal in this wall real good. All right, I've got the whole thing done, except that. And I have nothing left tonight. And believe it or not, I'm gonna leave one panel left undone. I just cannot do it. But there's always tomorrow. You can see this real good, but I have completely framed this whole wall out. I've made it smaller this way. It's not going to be quite as tall, but it is going to be airtight, and hopefully the water won't leak out this way. I've only put one of the panels in just to show you how that works. It's riding down in the gutter, which is between some treated 2x6s at the top and at the bottom. I've got my PVC with the holes drilled in it about every inch, maybe inch and a half, all the way down. And there's the other side. And it's all framed in, so what I'm going to do is put panels, those guys, up here. I will show you that after I'm done, after it's all closed off, so I won't be losing heat, well, much heat through here. Anyway, that's how I finished it up. It's all sealed off. Hopefully this will be a lot better than it was before. Only time will tell though. God bless. I'll play in some nutrient solution, some dirt, some fish water, whatever you have to grow something, and we'll see you next time. Okay, tubers, this is the last video I'm going to show on the last segment I'm going to show on this water wall. I'm not going to do the whole thing for you, but I'm going to show you what I've done to this point. The rest of it is really just, well, I'll show you. Let me turn this around. Yeah, it's raining. Sorry, but it's done. We got it all covered up, and it's ready for this winter. Praise Jesus.